This is an instructional video as to how to use the Epson projector at the village hall. You're going to need the remote control, which you see in front of you, and also the metal bar to pull down the projector screen. In order to close the vertical blinds, you need to locate this something remote control. Press this button here until all lights flash, then press this button and you'll see all the blinds are closing. You do the reverse, you get this flashing and you press this button and then all the blinds are opening. To close the overhead blinds or to open them, you would press the appropriate buttons here once, and there's another set on the opposite side of the hall. You can use the metal pole to pull down the blind, and as indicated, you pull it down for a number of seconds and it will stay. Use this remote control to turn on the overhead Epson projector. Press this button. If you were going to use the projector and you need sound, you need to turn on the audio equipment. There's a separate YouTube video for this. There's a resident Windows PC in the hall which is connected via an HDMI switch to the projector. You're quite welcome to use this PC to use it for presentations or even insert your own audio media on a USB stick and play from that stick. Here we're going to show you how to play from the PC. You're going to need a code, a PIN code, to get into the PC. Please ask one of the committee for this code. In this example, I'm going to use the Spotify app and play John Mayer. There's a pre-listed playlist here saying this is John Mayer. I'm playing it. I'm going to the speaker control here. I'm going to make sure, click on this icon here, I'm going to make sure the output is set to speakers USB audio codec. Then we look, this cable called USB goes into this mixing desk here, and it's important to know that this button here is down and this mute button here is not lit. Okay, so it's out. Then we go to the master control and you'll see the audio is coming out of all of the amplified speakers. And on the screen, we have what's being shown on the PC. So in this case, we've started the PowerPoint, and we may need to click on slideshow because PowerPoint is so clever, it knows it's got two screens and will not put the presentation onto the Epson screen until you've pressed that button. So I've said present. This screen has changed and we need to press this button here until we get a display onto the main screen. So I press the button a number of times and now you can see the PowerPoint screen is displayed on the projector. And note, of course, it's different from the screen that's on the PC, and that's because PowerPoint is so clever. It's doing the presenter's notes on the laptop and it knows to send the main screen to the Epson. Go to the audio desk, switch off the audio mixing unit, the button is at the back here, and switch off the power amp And then finally, go to the remote control, press this button. You need to press it 2 times. Look at the screen to confirm to power off.